Hi guys, welcome to a new video. This one is about a really big upgrade. It's probably the biggest of our, the biggest upgrade since we started this Sailboat Refit series. So if you're new here, we are doing a sailboat refit at the moment and we upgrade a few systems on the boat. And a few videos back when we were in Portugal, we told you about an issue with our battery bank. So the designated battery for our bow thruster and the anchor windlass, it overheated when we were in Porto. And yeah, we were lucky because we caught it in time. We were on the boat when it happened and our battery charger, it ran like crazy. So we found it out really quickly and we could resolve this issue quite quickly. And up until this point, we didn't really think about our battery bank or to change it because, in the beginning, we didn't really look into it. And we, to be honest, still don't know how old the battery bank was. And so the previous owner installed new batteries, but we have no idea how old they have been or if they have been used before or if he got them new. So it didn't say so anywhere. And also the management system wasn't that great, but we didn't look into it because at the beginning of our adventure, other issues were more prominent, like our engine troubles that we had in the beginning. And but then, when this happened, the battery overheated and we changed it. And then, we started to think about upgrading our battery bank. But then, we had quite the trip down here to the Med and we just enjoyed the summer vacation. And then when we arrived here in Almerimar, the same thing basically happened again. So two of our batteries overheated in the last few months. The second one was the starter battery for the engine. And this happened late at night, so around 12 o'clock at night. And basically I woke up from the sound of the battery charger again. And it was once again very, very lucky that we were on the boat when this happened. And that was the point when we thought, okay, the boat is now screaming at us. We have to do something about that. And it was quite scary. And we ended up, taking it out in the middle of the night. And it was so scary because Max had to hold his breath or held his breath when he went down into the aft cabin to get the battery out. And then we ended up walking around for 2 hours to get this experience out of our systems, I guess, and to go back into bed. And then we decided, okay, now we have to change the battery bank and to upgrade it so that it makes sense and that it's a really good managed system. And luckily our friends Ronald and Fleur decided to install lithium on their catamaran this winter. And so they had their old battery bank for sale. So it's a lead acid battery bank, but it's only 1 year old. And so we were able to buy this and to install it on our boat. And this is what this video is about.
Before we could run the cables, we had to buy more battery terminals.
We are going to the ferreteria to buy more of these and different ones.
And Max just forgot something and had to run back to the boat, but we are going there now.
After getting all the material for the installation, it was time to pick up the new batteries.
They're ready. We are going over to Ronald and Fleur's and we're gonna pick up our new battery bank. Ooh! That was a freebie.
Nice.
Hi strangers!
Hello, morning.
How are you?
Ooh! We are well!
Nice. So,
Just busting your party.
yeah.
I want to see the new ones.
Yeah, but they're below
Ah,
there.
they're below there. That's
Yeah.
it's not possible. Let's film the old ones. They are so pretty and nice.
Yeah.
They still look new.
Yeah. They're 1 year
You
old.
see the passerelle like bending, like.
Oh, really? Yeah. Take the other one.
Yeah, really. Oh, okay, that's the maximum. They are crazy.
Training for the Olympics.
Yes.
Since these batteries are crazy heavy, we needed to come up with a creative solution to get them from the pontoon to our boat and to the other side of the marina.
Best idea ever, guys.
Space than just for one battery, guys.
Put on two?
I think I will break it.
You have more skateboards. Guys, that's really cool.
Good stuff, huh? So heavy.
Yeah, nice workout.
Yeah.
Fits perfectly.
Yeah, you can just leave them there.
Can go left here, I guess. Hoppa.
So many batteries.
Yeah, it's a lot. So big.
Yes, so good.
How are we gonna do this? Let me see.
Okay. Let's just try it. And
Yeah.
I take it from you. Up here.
Can I put it on the...
Absolutely.
There? Yeah? Is it strong enough?
Yes. Got it. Got it.
Yeah.
Got it.
How heavy do you think they are? Does it say so somewhere?
I think 30 something.
Really?
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
One is 30
I think
kilo.
yes.
Yeah.
I think yes.
Maybe it feels
Last year,
heavier.
Maybe 20 or something.
20 for sure.
Yeah.
It's like carrying a small child.
Yeah.
Okay, one more time.
Last one.
Got it.
Nice.
Yes.
We're in.
On the boat, yeah. Ooh, getting them down into the boat will be interesting, but we'll manage.
If you need some help for
I
that.
got the old ones out and the old ones were bigger. So.
I have them
Yeah.
now on camera, by the way, that you offered to help.
Yeah, you have evidence. Yeah.
Thanks so much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, thank you.
I'm just
Yeah.
gonna
Thanks,
catch my
Ronald.
breath and then.
Yeah. Yeah. Get a coffee or water or something. Yeah.
We did manage to get the batteries into the cockpit, and then it was time to put them into the boxes under the bed in the aft cabin. All that was left to do was to measure and cut the cables and to connect them to the batteries.
They didn't have red wire, a red cable, so I have to make it red on my own, I guess, because I want it to be black and red, nothing else.
It took us half a day to get the new system up and running, and we are really happy with the results. We also bought a stronger battery charger and a battery monitor to get the maximum out of this new sailboat upgrade.
Thanks for watching, guys. This was part 5 of the Sailboat Refit series, and yeah, there's still a little bit more to come, so if you want a sneak peek of our bigger boat projects, then you should head over to our Patreon page and sign up. Then you get like insight of what we are doing right now. And yeah, if you like this video, leave us a like, leave us a comment, and as always, see you next week. Bye bye.